Hi everyone, this is Hilly Brand. Welcome to our weekly training. I am a work-at-home mom, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to build your own website or to build websites for businesses, for local businesses. So we're going to do this training in several different trainings, different weeks. Today we're going to do part number 1. Okay, so just basically laying out the frame of the website. So it's really easy. Can you see my screen? Many businesses, many local businesses still don't have a website. If you're an entrepreneur and you don't have your website today, then that is what I would advise you to do, is just to use this, to just make your website with this platform, because it's very easy. It's super easy. You can build your website in half a day. All right, so everyone can see the, okay. So this is, for instance, I just started to build this one, okay? This is not my main website, but this is what I started to build just to show you. You see, it looks great, okay? I didn't put any widgets here yet, okay? We're going to do that in another training. But today I'm going to show you how you just set it up, and it's really easy to set up. You just have to personalize it. And then just to start having your own menu right here. Okay, just a few different things. So first of all, what you do is that you're in Pure Leverage, you just click on post to your blog, and then you get straight to your dashboard. So once you're on your dashboard, then you're going to, first thing you're going to do is going to go to themes, because by default you're going to have the Pure Leverage theme. So in order to have, so the Pure Leverage theme is this one, promoting Pure Leverage. If you want to promote yourself, your own business, or if you want to build a website for local business, then I advise you to either pick the custom theme, or custom 2. Okay, so here I picked custom 2. So you just click on customize or activate, activate, and then you're just going to click on customize, and this is where you're going to be able to change. Okay, so you're customizing. So here you're going to have the site title, so you're going to enter the site title, then tagline, your website tagline. Then you can adjust colors, your website colors. Okay, so main menu background, main menu text color, background color, link color. Okay, so you can fully adjust everything to have a different appearance. Now I pick content on the left, so it's on the left side. The widgets are going to be on the right side. Header image, so I'm going to show you where you can add your image. Your banner image should be 1000 by 288 pixels. And then you already have preset ones, right? But I advise you to fully customize, personalize your header to your business, to your own business. So it represents your business, okay? Now background image, you have the option to add a background image. Navigation, so here you can have different menus, primary menu, then footer navigation. Footer is down here, all right? Then widgets, we're going to see this in a later training. And static front page, you can either pick a static front page, or you can pick your latest post. So here I just picked your latest post. So once you're done, you just click on save, and then you're taken back to your dashboard. Hello Thierry, Marianne, Alexandre. All right, so let's go back. So now you're going to have theme options. So you see how easy it is. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to install anything. You just go straight to personalizing your website. So that's what makes it so easy. Okay, so you don't have to do anything with this. You can change it. Okay, you already changed it. So you're just going to click on header. Header is where you're going to have your banner. That's basically your banner. So how are you going to do this? So as I said, so you already have some pictures here that you can pick from. But what I advise you is to fully personalize your website so it represents you. So if it's your own business, then a picture of you, something that you like. But I would advise a picture of you. And if it's a local business, let's say a bakery, then you can just have the picture of the bakery itself, okay? So now we may have challenges if you don't have, any experience with it in adjusting your header, because it has to be 1000 by 288 pixels. So what I use personally is a paid software. It's Adobe. Okay, I simply use Adobe. Okay, Creative Cloud. And if you don't want, it runs around $30 a month. If you don't want to spend that much money, and I can fully understand, you have some free websites. So you have GIMP.org downloads. I haven't tested it personally, but it seems to be great. Okay, it's a free software. You have, for PC users, you have Paint.net. Okay. And you have also Picasa, where you may be able to adjust your pictures as well. You also have Pixlr, I believe. So you have different softwares. Some are free, some are not. But you have different softwares that are going to help you to adjust your image. Because if your image is a certain dimension, you don't want to just... sometimes you could modify it, and for instance, people's face are going to look all stretched out. You see, they're not going to be... really well edited. So I would recommend to really use a software, whether it's free or paid, or maybe use a third party. Maybe go on Fiverr and ask someone to just make your banner or adjust your banner to the 1000 by 288 pixels. I would advise you to just really pay attention to this banner, because as you see on the website, that's what stands out, right? So now, once you're done with this, then you just click on Save Changes, and then you're going to go to Users. Users, your profile. So you want to adjust your profile. Okay, so upload your picture. Okay, update picture. Here you can adjust the colors of your back office. Here your username, you cannot change your username, but you can, adjust the other information. Okay, display name publicly, your email, your other website if you have another website, and then your bio. Okay, once you're done, update profile. You can add new users. Okay, you can add new users for maybe writing articles for you, so they have access as an administrator or as a writer, for instance. Tools. Okay, so now we don't have to do this just yet. Settings. Okay, settings, general. So I'm not going to be able to cover everything today, of course, so I'm just going to pick what's, the really first steps. So here, of course, you have what we saw in customizing your theme. You had site title, tagline, email address, and here you can change, the language and all. Once you're done, save changes. What you want to do is we're just going to go to menu. So we're going to go to appearance and then menu, because the menu, I would need to show you how to create a page first. Okay, so here's where you just adjust your menu. Okay, so you have, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to just paste it here. So this way we just see it. Okay, you see this is the menu, and so this is where I change it. Okay, that's where you can just drag the different pages. Okay, you can also have sub items. Okay, so if I want it to look like this, then my menu will have a sub item right here. All right, So this is where you adjust your menu. Once you're done, of course, you just click Save Menus. You can have different menus. I'm just going to show you how to create a page. So how to create a page is the same basically as creating a post. What the difference is, a page can be hidden. A post is going to show up automatically on your website. A page, you can choose to use a page for your menu, for instance, and you can also choose to have your page hidden. So you will be able to access it only with the URL. So that could be useful, for instance, if you want to write an ebook and you just give access to that URL to people who enter their email address for your newsletter, for instance. So all pages, so you just click on Add New, and there you're going to just write your page. Okay, so what I'm going to do, because it's already 8:15, I'm just going to stop right here. I'll show you how to write a page and how to write a post and how to have all these options show on your editor next time, okay, next week. So for now, I'm just going to let Alexandre do his presentation. Alexandre, who's from Brazil. Hello, Alexandre. Oh, maybe you're not as a moderator. There we go. So you see how easy it is to make a website. I mean, I just didn't do that much, and you see how it looks like already.
Hello, Hedy. How are you doing?
I'm doing great, thank you.
Can you hear me well? Yes, good. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are in the world. My name is Alexandre Sa. I'm coming to you direct from Brazil. Great presentation, Hedy. Thanks for sharing that. From that, you could see that it's very easy to set up your blog and to have an online presence. First, I'd like to welcome you. We really appreciate your presence. So it's great for us and Hedy that you are here, because our intention is to provide great content and help you and your team to take your business to the next level. And our main goal is to really, give you some strategies, some tips that we've been implementing inside our business that has helped us, to improve our results. So hopefully learning from those tips, you are going to do the same for you and your team. Today, just quickly, I'd like to share with you why I think videos are great. You don't need to pop star or whatever to start making videos. And because there are many advantages of using this social platform. And since Hedy and I started to do our presentations through the internet using videos, our results have increased. So I'm sure it's going to happen the same with you if you start to implement this fantastic strategy. Why? I'd like to share with you 5 reasons I think that videos are going to help you. First of it, they are fun and informative. You can change the way you present your business, use videos. If you just write a sales letter, if somebody just reads something about you or your business, it causes a certain impression. But if you talk to that person through a video, if you put your face out there, you can be more fun, be more creative, be more informative, because videos, they have this interaction. So it makes easier for you, to show yourself, to show your really self. Because at the end of the day, We just need to be ourselves. We need to be real because people like to interact with real person. You don't need to be a fake. You just need to talk as you were talking to your best friend. So you can share your business, your company, your offline business, if you have a local business, whatever you promote offline or online, you can give this special touch using videos. The second reason I believe videos are great because they keep your audience interested. It's much more interesting when you hear, when you learn something through videos instead of reading a huge sales page. Blogs are great, but if you can, together with your blog post, put your video with the main content around that blog post, it's much more fun because some people like to visualize who they are interacting. And it's great if you can use both. You can record a video and make a blog post together. Not only because of search and the search engines, they like videos, but also your audience. So try to use videos because they're more engaging and people pay more attention when they can both read and listen. And we need to understand that people are different. Some people like to read, others like to hear. So if you can combine both, you are going to be much more effective. The third tip is they are easy to persuade and get your message across. You can be much more persuasive. You can, recommend something much better if you use videos because it, as I said, it brings this touch, this interaction. So you can just be more engaging with your audience if you use videos. The fourth tip is you can reach billions of people because of the internet. Through people are using their mobile phones and they love videos. The reach of your business can be huge, especially as Heavy was saying, you can use a blog, which is amazing, but if you combine with videos, you are going to reach much more people. And your main goal is to get traffic to your blog, to your local business. The more you use different social platforms, the better. You can use the social platforms, Facebook, Twitter, all of them. You can use your blog, which is amazing, but you can use videos as well. The more platforms you use to get your message across, to focus on your target audience, the better. And then you combine all of them with a fantastic strategy because the idea is to reach as many as possible to yourself. When you brand yourself, when you brand your business, whatever you promote, the more you have, the more strategy, the more channels you use to reach your target audience, much better. And another thing is, many times who is in charge of the decision doesn't have much time. So videos, you can get your message across much faster because in 2 minutes, a video with 2 minutes long, you can say so much instead of a huge sales letter. So this is why I believe videos are great. But the idea is combine all of the strategies you have right now. You can, because the idea is be in touch with your customers, your audience, your followers. Use everything you can to get in touch with them. Because as I said, the search engine optimization works on your benefit when you combine all those tools to your advantage. Yes, Heidi? So that's what I have for you today. These 5 reasons why you should create videos to get in touch with your customers, your followers, or whoever you want to reach. All right? Thanks for coming. It's always a pleasure to have you with us. Now, Hedy will probably share with you what the tools we've been using to brand ourselves, take our business to the next level. Hedy? And we'll use whatever is available to
Yes,
brand you
thank you,
on
Alexandre.
the online market. Okay.
Thank you, Alexandre. So here are the tools for the ones who don't have the tools yet. Many entrepreneurs use these tools. So as I was showing you the blog, you can make your own blog, your own website, or local businesses' websites with the Pure Leverage platform. So what you're going to get in this pack, you're going to get your website, capture pages, and we've seen this, we've covered this in some other tutorials, some other trainings. The autoresponder, which allows you to follow up, to send email follow-ups with your prospects. Video email, which allows you to include videos within your emails. Live meeting room, well, just such as this one that we're using right now, many different use, and internet marketing training. So you're just on top of the best marketing strategies. And everything goes for $24.95 per month for all these tools. You can compare it to different companies. So you can see you can go from $25 for one blog, okay, to $750 for two different products. So I'll let you compare. And so everything is $24.95 a month with a $1 trial. It's actually $1 right now for 30 days. So if you want to know more about it, about these wonderful internet marketing tools, then just contact the person who invited you. Blessings to you all. Thank you very much, Alexandre. Thank you, everyone. And now we're going to start the French presentation. See you next week.